two sets of solid double yellow lines that are 2 or more feet apart. A may be crossed to enter or exit a private driveway. B should be treated as a separate traffic lane. C may not be crossed for any reason. Correct answer, C may not be crossed for any reason. When driving in traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep your instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. A pedestrian starts to cross the street after the "Don't walk" signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should A. Proceed if you have the right of way. B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. C. Carefully drive around the pedestrian. Correct answer B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. You are driving on a freeway posted for 65 miles per hour. Most of the other vehicles are driving 70 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A. 70 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic. B. Between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour. C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. Correct answer C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. You see a signal with a yellow arrow. What does this mean? A. The protected turning time period is ending. B. You should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. You have the right of way to turn. Correct answer A. The protected turning time period is ending. You should signal continuously while turning because it A. Is illegal to turn off your signal before completing a turn. B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. C. Is required by law within city limits only. Correct answer B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. Which of these statements is true about road construction zones? A. Fines are the same as for other traffic violations. B. Slow down only if you think workers are present. C. You must slow for the cone zone. Correct answer C. You must slow for the cone zone. You must carefully watch for bicycles in traffic lanes because they A. Must ride facing oncoming traffic. B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. C. Usually have the right of way. Correct answer B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. A solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line means that vehicles A. Next to the broken line may pass. B. Next to the solid line may pass. C. In both directions may pass. Correct answer A. Next to the broken line may pass. When you are merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. B. 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than the traffic on the freeway. C. The posted speed limit for freeway traffic. Correct answer A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. If you are towing another vehicle or trailer on a freeway with 4 lanes in your direction, you may travel in A. Any of the traffic lanes in your direction. B. Either of the 2 right lanes. C. The far left lane. Correct answer B. Either of the 2 right lanes. A flashing red traffic light at an intersection means A. Slow down before entering. B. Stop before entering. C. Stop and wait until it turns green. Correct answer B. Stop before entering. You must yield the right of way to an emergency vehicle by A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. B. Speeding up to clear the lane. C. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed. Correct answer A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A. Your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C. One of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. You should increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead when you A. Are following a small passenger vehicle, B. Are being tailgated by another driver, C. Are driving more slowly than the posted speed limit. Correct answer, B. Are being tailgated by another driver. Here, when parking downhill on a two-way street, your front wheels should be A. Turn to the left toward the street, B. Turn to the right away from the street, C. Turn to the right toward the curb. Correct answer, C. Turn to the right toward the curb. If you're driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive A. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle, B. Further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle, C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer, B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken, B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken, C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer, A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. The safest precaution that you can take regarding the use of cellular phones and driving is A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. B. Keep your phone within easy reach so you won't need to take your eyes off the road. C. Review the number before answering a call. Correct answer, A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. What should you do at an intersection with a flashing yellow signal light? A. Stop before crossing the intersection. B. Slow down and cross carefully. C. Stop and wait for the light to change. Correct answer, B. Slow down and cross carefully. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. What is the correct way to make a left turn from a one-way street onto a one-way street? A. Turn into any lane. B. Turn into the far left lane. C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with one lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A. Help prevent traffic congestion. B. Increase your chances of an accident. C. Get you to your destination faster. Correct answer, B. Increase your chances of an accident. When driving in fog, you should use your A. High beams, B. Low beams, C. Fog lights only. Correct answer, B. Low beams. You are required to wear your safety belt in a moving vehicle. A. Unless the vehicle was manufactured before 1978. B. Unless you are riding in a limousine. C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. Correct answer, C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket.